Hello YouTube. Yeah, today I'm about to replace the leaf spring on this Ford truck. So what you gonna do, you just only have 6 bolts to take out, just 6 of them. You got this one is the most difficult one to take out because of the gas tank right there, because the bolt was facing that direction. That means you have 2 options. When you take the nut out, the bolt can't come out from here because of this. Is either you cut it off or you drop the gas tank. So what I did yesterday, I actually dropped the gas tank so I can get access to the bolt to come out. So I mean, you got 2 options. You got to know which one you want to do. But to make it more easier for myself because of the gas tank, I decided to drop the gas tank. It was so easy to just 2 bolts holding the gas tank on as well. It was not that difficult. So that's it. And also you got another bolt right there. You got another bolt right here. But the extra tire, it's in my wheel as well. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drop the tire down. I'm going to drop it down. So why this one in the middle of the spring, that one's so easy to bring out. So easy. So it's not a biggie to bring that one out. So it's so easy to bring it out. So I'll show you my progress as it goes. Change a leaf spring on this Ford truck f150. It's so easy. Once you take the wheels out, you can see it's not straight because you had the wreck from there. So you just gotta make sure the line back up. So other than that, I'll show you guys when I'm about to install it. You got 6 bolts to take out. You know what? I tell you what, it's always good to get help. Yeah, you have to do it alone because it's heavy. Man, I'm breathing so hard right now because I have to do it alone. I couldn't get no help from no one. So, and none of my friends, I'm not a mechanic, and none of my friends are a mechanic either. So, I'm just trying to be cheap. I don't want to pay no more than $350 just to change the leaf spring. So this is what you pay if you want to pay someone. You have to do it yourself. Tired. Alright guys, I put the new one back. Well, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. It's difficult. You're gonna need some help. Like, get a partner so you guys can do it together. You know, you gotta get a partner because it's so difficult to put back together on alone. I got it in. So, but when you got it in, you gotta align this together. You know, you gotta make sure it's aligned. So I lose the other tire from the other side. Try to align and make sure it's aligned so it's not gonna be wobbling that way. So all I gotta do, I got the springs right here so I can tie the screws back. I didn't really tie it all the way. I didn't tie that all the way too, but I just want to put everything together. Then I'll do the finishing touches on it. So watch me. Also, I have my partner right here that's trying to help me. That's my son. But it's 3. What can he do? Or he just come here to eat cookies and play with the jack. good for you to get some help, you know, from people. So I was able to install mine. I just gotta put my tire back. That's it. All right, y'all. Thank you. So the truck is ready, as y'all can see. I mean, I can drive it right now if I want to, but my problem is that from the rear tire, it has a broken leaf spring. So I changed it. I changed it myself. I didn't pay no one to change it. It's so easy, super easy. So the total cost of this truck is $3,680, including shipping. Everything I bought to put this truck back together is $3,680. Which that's for 204 F150. That's a lot of savings. I save myself a lot of money. Rather than going to a dealer. If I want to go to a dealer and buy this, they might probably charge me up to $10,000. If I want to buy this from a dealer, they'll probably charge me $10,000. But that's about, I saved myself. I'll be doing more videos on the truck once I get the keyless switch, because I bought this truck from Copart. So thank you, y'all. Bye.